now. I'm afraid of water.
You want water right now, right, you?
I just wish I should have fucking. Something told me to wear shorts. Huh?
Yeah. I wanted to wear some shorts too, but
I hate wearing fucking pants.
the ones I was gonna wear is see-through, so they'll probably see my nuts and shit. Uh-oh! I like the floor. It's pretty cushiony, bouncy.
Yeah, I like drumming.
This is that part with that little girl.
Yeah.
Abby Kadabi, whatever her name is.
You probably got paid to give him that shit, right?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. I didn't see the payment thing. I didn't see that they had to pay. There it is.
Where's Mama Stella's?
Can we go through there?
That's Italian word.
Or you want to get on the tower?
Oh, no. We gotta walk this way to get to that shipment. That's Mama Stella's. That's like Italian
restaurant.
You saw the thing?
The what?
It's like a, what are those called? Things that's a carousel?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a different one. Oh, is it?
Look, you want to take a ride?